So let me tell you a story about my brother. My brother was watching Garden Discovery, as good brothers do, and he heard me talk about gophers again, and it's like, oh my God, gophers, gophers, gophers. Almost every video I'm talking about gophers and what a problem they are. So Bill reaches out to EPIC Repellents, and it's a company that makes Gopher Scram product. And he typed an email and he said, my sister has a YouTube gardening channel and she is having problems like crazy with gophers. And is there anything that you can do to help out? Well, I don't know if he really expected a reply. I think he was hopeful, but it wasn't very long before he did get a reply. And one person in particular at EPIC was super helpful and really want to thank him so much. I'm just going to call him Iron Man. He sent out some product, Gopher Scram, and for me to use in my garden. And so that's what I'm going to do today in the video. We're going to put out the product and we're going to keep our fingers crossed, see how the Gopher Scram works. I'm going to do a follow-up video in 10 days after I reapply, and we'll see what the status is then. And then in 30 days, we'll do another one just to wrap it all up. They're killing your plants, you know. The moles, the voles, the gophers, the rabbits, the deer. They're yanking off the blooms. Everything that you work so hard on, they're pulling out of your garden. Because they're hungry, because they're hungry, because they're hungry. And your garden is a great opportunity to feed and feed good. They're eating it all and they're enjoying themselves. And you know what? They're doing it on your dime. That's right, your dime. You spent all your time, all your money into your precious garden. You've nurtured it, and now they're killing it. Little by little by little. And you know what? You got to do something about it. So what are we going to do today? We're going to get out the Gopher Scram. We're going to apply that Gopher Scram. And at the end of this video, you stay tuned, because if you don't have gophers, I guarantee you, you've got something else. And this line of products has repellents on just about every creature you can think of, including armadillos. Let's go. Okay, do I really think gophers are evil? Well, I do when they're eating my plants. I do when I'm falling on my face over holes that they've dug. And yeah, it's not a lot of fun. They make a mess, and are they evil? Debatable. Depends on the day when you go out to the garden. But don't want them here in my garden. There's plenty of places for them to go and eat. Doesn't need to be in my garden. So go away, gophers, go away. Gophers are a big problem, big, huge problem in Monterey County. And I don't know any gardener in the area who does not have problems with gophers every once in a while, if not all the time, like me. So I'm hoping that this product is useful, that it really works, and that my community can benefit from it, because really the population of gophers here is extreme. When you water it in for 20 minutes, and then we're going to reapply this in 10 days, and then reevaluate, see how things are going, and if there's any other activity, I can put some more out then. So we're going to get going, get that watered in real well. And I recommend that you watch Garden Discovery while you're waiting the 20 minutes watering it in. I like the idea of the Gopher Scram because it's all natural and it's pet friendly. It's not going to hurt your pets. It's not poison. So I don't have to worry about Larry the lazy garden cat coming over and, you know, getting sick or worse, or any other creatures that might get a hold of the Gopher Scram. They don't have to worry about it. It's all natural, and it's ready to use. It comes in this granular formula, and you disperse it out in about 16-inch width around the perimeter of where you want to protect in your garden, and you're good to go. Just water it in for 20 minutes, and then you're going to do that again in another 10 days. If there's any gopher holes in your garden, what you want to do is you want to take a half a cup of the granulars, put them in the hole, and then just cover it up. And that's what you want to do if you see any active gopher holes. That's how to treat those. So, yep, that's a little too cute. It needs to be a little more beastly, EPIC. Come on. EPIC makes a long list of other products to repel animals that you don't want in your garden, that are eating your garden or causing harm. So I will put a link in the description to EPIC, and you can check out their website and all the products that they have to offer. And I'll put a list of some of those too in the video at the end. Garden Discovery and EPIC Repellents. Together, we're going to rid this garden of the evil beasts from Middle Earth. My gophers are a little more evil than that, EPIC.